track, once you go into the bottom, if you dive in real hard, it normally pushes him out really hard. And I thought for a fact that he'd be on the outside real hard right there, but to pull away like that, get a win here, it's awesome.
Who do you want to thank?
I got to thank my sponsors for one, ATT, Speed Cleaners, Ron T-shirts. I'd also like to thank Kurt Cronin, my crew chief that is here tonight, helps us out as much as he can possible every week. I also like to thank my father. He's the one who puts up most of the money for this car. And I'd also like to thank my sister Chelsea. She couldn't make it here tonight. She dances, and it stinks that she can't be here tonight, but it's good to see the car in victory lane.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
David Ferguson, ladies and gentlemen, picking up the win here at the Brewerton Speedway. They always